So here is the practice exercise. You need to add PET plastic material on this bottle, and then you need to find out the mass of this bottle in grams. Alright, let's do that. Now the first thing is applying material, and to do that I'll go to this material option on the feature tree, right click, and I'll select edit material. Alright, the material which we need to add here is plastic, so I'll just collapse this steel material and I'll go to plastics, expand this, and we need to add PET plastic, which is this one right here. So with all of these physical properties it will just apply it, so click apply and close, and the material is now added. So that's the PET plastic. Now about its mass. So to do that, go to evaluate and select mass properties, and that's going to show you the mass property of this entire thing. As you can see, this entire geometry is selected here, so volume.sld part is selected, and here we have its mass in grams, which is 114.62 grams, and that's the correct answer.